Hi, I'm Frederik from Heine, and today I would like to show you how to set up the loops on your Heine headlight for a perfect view. In this video I'll give you step-by-step instructions, which work with all Heine loops, independent from magnification or working distance. To get a perfect image with your Heine loops, it is very important that the two oculars perfectly match your pupillary distance. With the Heine iView Loupe carrier, you can adjust the right and left ocular independently. This is very important because the human face is not exactly symmetrical. So this is how the iView Loupe carrier works. Everything is flexible and you can loosen the screws to change the settings of the oculars and position them correctly. Finally, they can be fixated by tightening the screws again. Please be careful not to loosen the screws entirely, as the oculars would come off, and remember to set one ocular after the other. So now we'll go through the perfect setup in 3 steps. First, adjustment of the S-frame. Second, adjustment of the pupillary distance. Third, adjustment of light and loupe. First, adjustment of the S-frame. Adjust the S-frame to the shape of your face. Temples and nose pads can be adjusted individually. We recommend to tighten the retaining cord on the back of your head to maximize comfort and to reduce the weight of the instrument on your nose. Second, adjustment of the pupillary distance. Position a target at the required working distance. To find your individual pupillary distance, start with the value 30 for the right and left ocular on the scale of the iView Loupe carrier. Check the settings of your right eye by looking through the ocular and adjust the ocular until your target is in the center of your field of view. Do the same procedure with your left eye. Check if the target appears as a sharp image in the center of your field of view while using both eyes. Third, adjustment of light and loupe. Turn on the light via your battery pack. The iView Loupe carrier has 4 joints. The part with the Heine logo should be pushed to the top before adjusting light and loupe in the correct angle. Adjust light and loupe until they form one line. Be careful to hold the loupe while you are adjusting the light. The light should be 100% in between the oculars, not above, not below. Look through the oculars. If your field of view is illuminated, you have achieved the perfect settings. This is how the perfect setup should look like. Thank you for watching this video. In case you found it helpful, please leave a comment and hit the like button. We would appreciate your feedback and wish you lots of success with your Heine instrument.